Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're Britain. Habari zenu. Leo nataka kuwapeleka moja kwa moja kwa duka letu la IKEA. Our market here, you can see the brand. My cameraman, come closer. The here, the brand. And then we have like the parking here. The parking, we have a very big parking. Like we are starting this way, and in case you're coming by bus, you can always pick the bus. Like you can see the bus there, and then going this way, it's all the way up there. So I will be taking you inside, and then we will be trying to compare the prices of furniture and everything which is inside, to try to see how's the prices here and how's the prices wherever you are watching. So join me as I take you one by one. So today I've decided to sit on this. It's so comfy. Oh my god, it's awesome. It's really nice, and you can also sleep whenever you are out anytime. Oh no. It's really awesome. It's so comfy. Oh my god, it's really nice. I love it. How much they are selling this one? This one is going for 33,990.
Basically 34.
Yeah, let's say 44.
34.
Yeah, 34, sorry. So that's like and what? Only this one. Some mat kind of. 300. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, that seat is comfy. I don't like this one anyway. Yeah, that's it. It's all some pretty things. Nice stuff here. Nice like a pole. To see some bathrooms. I think here there's one. What are these? Some table, I guess. Something like table, and they call it Yamayelnik. So, Bukoshi Mujete.
You know, it's like a coffee table, like for the balcony. Then you put your stuff here, like magazines or what, you know, and yeah, something like that. For putting tea, yeah. For putting your cup.
No, they say this one for lunch. Like it can be used for hot tea in your cup. But you don't destroy your table. These are for putting down on your stool.
Yeah, so that the floor doesn't scratch.
What's this for?
I love this. It's like a coffee table, you know.
This one is cute.
It's so unique,
No,
and it's you store. It has a storage, you know.
Look the way it's shining. So beautiful. Can you imagine? And it's only for how much?
2,000.
2,000 only. so cheap.
Yeah.
Upozornění pro zákazníky, prosíme rodiče Elišky Tulejové, aby se dostavili k dětskému koutku. Děkujeme.
I love this living room.
Very simple, huh?
Simple, small, like the people who live in bed sitters.
This one.
People who live in bed sitters.
This one is so cute. It's only 129. Wow, I love it.
You don't have to have so much.
Yeah.
You get ideas of furnishing your house just by coming to walk around. Mel,
Look at this one for the wall. So cute. So this one goes for 400 only.
imagine.
Very cheap and beautiful.
If I had the money, I could.
Wow, it's awesome. It's awesome. It's really pretty. I love it. And for your books, the lovers of books, here, you just put your books inside. It's just really nice one.
Madam Conan.
Oh, look at this one. It's just. Oh, this one is beautiful.
Come and see inside. You use this for storage and nobody will know if you're unpaid
Yeah.
or not, you know.
Oh,
This is so
this one
beautiful.
is just free. How
For
much?
12,000.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. I think I can.
For the people who are living on a bed sitter, it's awesome. Right?
Even not bed sitter, even just a
Yeah,
big
even
house, you know.
yeah.
Because it
And you will
makes
have your TV here.
you become neat, you don't throw things, and then up here it's like for your decorations. You know. I just love it. Super.
Oh, look at this one, the other side. I just love them. They are so pretty. Okay. What do we have here? Look at the bedroom for the and the mirror. Oh, no Wi-Fi because they will only need to study. It's a bedroom for kids. And then their wardrobe and their studying room, like a computer and all that. So it's awesome. And it only goes for 13,500. 13,500. It's just pretty.
I wanted to buy something like this for my home.
Which one? Ah, yeah, for hanging there. Yeah. Umechukuliwa? Look at this kitchen. It's just pretty. Oh, it's awesome. Look at the oven. I just love that oven. I just hope it's... Yeah, it's just quite awesome. You just buy the all complete thing. And upstairs they have it's going up to up. On top. Oh, this is awesome. Wow. Look at this one. I love the wood. It's really pretty.
The kitchen.
The kitchen.
Ikiwa chafu ujui, hii ni jikoni ya mtu mchafu. Unapikia ndio unakulia ufungue sitting room.
Yeah.
Alafu jiko nini? It's a very small wood plant kitchen.
And today there's a lot of people like kumejaa huku
Because it's weekend, you know.
Kumejaa huku juu manake ni weekend or something.
Unataka kujichukua?
This one is going for 60. let's say 65, which is good price. And this one, the same price. This one, I don't know if I'm allowed to open them. No, I don't think. But it's really pretty.
This one is 10,000.
No wonder, I suspected because it looks like it's really nice. Let's see the expensive one. This one was 9,000.
That one was 7.
This one is
7,000.
11, so that means this one is more.
No, they're more expensive there. It goes like,
Yeah, they are moving. This one is 15. This
which is 16.
16. This one is cheaper.
3,000. Is it a microwave or what? I think
guess.
it's a microwave.
But it's really cool for that money.
Yeah.
For that money, you're not even taking anything. You're not viewing it. Hauchukui nini video.
Nimechukua.
Uko karibu sana.
Ni vile reflections za huyu zinatokea huko, sijui nafikiria tunakuja kuiba. Types of cookers. Sugar.